Well, hello and welcome back, my friends. I've got 10 mistakes first-time home buyers make and how to avoid them. All right, buying your first home is an exciting milestone, but it's also one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. With so much at stake, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and make mistakes along the way. As your trusted real estate agent in Central Ohio, I'm here to guide many first-time home buyers through the process and see the common pitfalls they encounter. All right, so here I'll explain and outline the top 10 mistakes first-time home buyers make and provide practical tips to help you avoid them. Okay, now, not knowing how much you can afford. Okay, here is the mistake. One of the most common first-time home buyers make is failing to determine their budget before starting their home search. Many buyers fall in love with homes and they're out there, they're just totally out of their price range, leading them to disappointment and a total waste of time. All right, how to avoid it? All right, as I've said over and over and over, start by getting a pre-approval from a mortgage company. A local one is preferred. A pre-approval not only gives you a clear understanding of how much you can afford, but also makes you more attracted a more attractive buyer to the sellers. Remember to factor in the property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance when determining your budget. Okay, number 2, skipping the mortgage pre-approval process. The mistake. Some buyers assume that they can secure financing after finding the perfect home. Unfortunately, this can lead to missed opportunities and added stress. What do you do to avoid it? Well, working with a lender to get a pre-approval before house hunting. Pre-approvals show seller that you are serious and financially ready to buy. Plus, it helps you focus on homes within your price range. All right, number 3, understanding closing costs. All right, the mistake. Many first-time home buyers are shocked by the additional expenses required to close the deal. Closing costs can include the loan orientation fee, title insurance, appraisal fee, and many, many, many more. How do we avoid that? We talk to your lender and your real estate agent early in the process to get an estimate of your closing costs. Typically, this cost is going to range anywhere from 2% to 5% of the purchase price. Budgeting accordingly to avoid surprises at the closing table. Okay, number 4, neglecting to research the neighborhood. The mistake. Focusing solely on the house itself is neglecting the neighborhood can lead to buyer's remorse. A dream home in the wrong location can quickly become a nightmare. Rah! How do we avoid that? All right, spend time researching neighborhoods in Columbus, Ohio to find one that aligns with your lifestyle, your commute, and your priorities. Visit these areas at different times of the day. Check out school ratings if they're applicable, and explore local amenities. Number 5, not 10, 5. Overlooking the inspection. Mistake. Some buyers are eager to close quickly, skip the home inspection, or fail to take it seriously. This can lead to costly repairs down the road. How do we avoid this? Always invest in a professional home inspection. Buyer beware. Even for newly built homes, I can't stress this enough. The inspection can uncover potential issues and give your leverage during the negotiations. Significant problems can arise, and we are able to negotiate repairs or a lower price. Number 6, making emotional decisions. The mistake. Buying a home is an emotional process, but letting your heart roll over your head can lead to poor decisions like overpaying and overlooking flaws. How do we avoid it? Okay, stick to your budget and the list of your must-have. Consult your real estate agent for objective advice and don't rush into the decision. Remember, there will always be another home if this one isn't considered the right fit. I always say, go with your gut. All right, number 7, draining savings on the down payment. The mistake. Okay, while Putting down a larger down payment can reduce your monthly mortgage payment. It's risky to deplete your savings entirely. I can't stress this enough. So there's things that do pop up and you want to have some more in your savings. How to avoid that? Aim to leave an emergency fund intact after your home purchase. Unexpected expenses like repairs, medical bills, or job change can arise, and having a financial cushion will just give you a little bit peace of mind. Okay, number 8. Ignoring first-time homebuyer programs. The mistake, many first-time homebuyers miss out on valuable assistance programs that could save them money. How to avoid it? Research. First-time homebuyer programs in Ohio, such as Ohio Housing Financial Agency, known as OFA, programs can offer help with down payment assistance, lower interest rates, and tax credits. I can help you with this as well. All right, number 9, changing jobs or making big purchases before you close. The mistake. Making significant financial changes during the home buying process can jeopardize your mortgage approval. How do we avoid it? Common sense. Avoid changing jobs, making large payments, or opening credit card accounts until after you close on your home. These actions can affect your debt to income ratio, and the scores potentially derail your loan approval. Number 10, working with an experienced real estate agent. Okay, the mistake. Some first home-time buyers attempt to navigate the process on their own, working with an inexperienced agent, or leading to missed opportunities and costly mistakes. How do we avoid this? Partnering up with an experienced real estate agent and a beautiful pug. Who knows? The Columbus real estate market inside and out. A good agent will guide you through every step, negotiate on your behalf, and help you make an informed decision. All right, final thoughts. Okay, buying your first time home is a major milestone, and it's normal to feel both excited and overwhelmed. By avoiding these common mistakes and working with a trusted real estate professional, you can navigate the process with confidence and find a home that you love for years to come. If this is the first time and you're a home buyer in the Columbus, Ohio area, I would love to help you achieve your real estate goals. Contact me today to get started. And don't forget, we're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.